I am not a car. I'm much more than that. I'm fast, loud, and a little crazy. I'm the gear shift, and always full throttle. I'm Rennsport. I'm the car nobody thought anybody would ever drive. I'm the ducktail that everybody loves. I was built only 500 times, or so they thought. I'm the fastest time machine on Earth, the echo of racing days gone by. I'm the one that gave birth to the 911 Carrera. I'm the tarmac. I'm dust, sweat, and tears of joy. I'm the Targa Florio. I'm light as a feather, but a heavyweight racing champion. I'm an icon, but you know what? I don't care. I'm forever young. I'm your heartbeat and the love of your life. I'm too fast to stop. I am the 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Come and catch me if you can. 50 years of Porsche passion and emotions that last forever. Heritage at its best.